let's just get down to the business. Okay, let's do what I'm supposed to do. So hi, welcome back, and today my video is all about, to be honest, I'm really low on energy. Let me drink some coffee. And so on Instagram I asked you guys to give me the names of the celebrity that you would like me to recreate outfit of, and I got really good names. I am simply going to now recreate the outfit and maybe judge, or maybe I'm gonna rate them, and let's see how it turns out. So yeah, let's go.
Ryan Little.
So this is my first outfit. So I recreated Kendall Jenner look and I freaking loved it. How monochromatic the look is, and it looks so amazing. She's paired up with white glasses, which I don't have. For jewelry, she kept it very minimal but with long earrings because her face type. Statement top knot bun, and she was wearing white heels. I don't have those, so I'm not wearing anything. Anyways, you can't see, so please don't judge me. But I love how everything has turned out. The outfit looks amazing. I could wear this outfit anywhere. The only problem is she's wearing a shirt dress. I did not have that, so I'm wearing a shirt paired it up with a skirt. I tucked in the shirt and kept the other end loose so that it looks kind of similar to hers. I noticed one thing, that Kendall wears a lot of white, blacks, and the very basic outfit. She doesn't experiment a lot. She's quite popular and people like follow her, and her outfit, like the off-duty model look or whatever it is not that great. She wears very basic. She does not follow more of like trends where she can. If I had the money, I would have definitely. If I want to rate this outfit, I would rate this 7.5 Kendall, because I love the outfit, but I just feel like it needs a bit more, which is a bag. Like, tell me this outfit did not go from 8 to 10 now. The bag completes the outfit and I freaking love that. The bag is so pretty, and because she's wearing pink and orange earring, this bag matches the earring, and this would make this outfit like amazing. So this is the second outfit. Can I say? I like this outfit. I freaking loved it. I can wear this outfit anywhere, anytime, but not in winters. Yeah, so I really loved it. The top I'm wearing is not exact same like Kylie's, but I feel like this top is kind of similar looking. It's like full sleeves, same length, and she's wearing blue jeans and I am up for jeans. I cannot live without jeans. I love making outfits which has jeans in it. So I paired up this top with this pants as Kylie and a white bag and the bucket hat. I cannot see any earrings, so I did not put any earrings. I freaking love the outfit. It's pretty, it is good, it is nice, it is what it is. I would not change anything on this outfit because I never thought I could pair this outfit with a bucket hat and still look so good. Kylie, you're doing great. I would rate this outfit 8.5 Kylie. I would not change anything about this outfit. I just loved it. Also, you can add few earrings. I would add silver earrings maybe, but as I could not see any earrings, so I did not add any. So up to the next outfit. So this is my third look, and I have recreated Hailey's look. I am not sure about the outfit. Let me talk about the hair. I don't like the hair. The hairstyle, on her it looks amazing. On me it looks like, I don't have the hairline, bitch. I don't have the hairline. So for that I need hairline to make this kind of hairstyle. I had the same earring, but I could not find it for some reason, so I had to go for another earring. This is the earring I'm wearing. And the necklace, I kept the necklace the same. I'm wearing this necklace for 3 outfits. I got it from some Instagram store, I don't remember, but I love the black eye. It's like cute, isn't it? So yeah, I'm wearing that. I'm wearing this swimming costume. Same, I do not have the black camisole. I could wear the black pants, but I didn't want it to because I don't have the high-waisted ones. So I had this one lying around, and I feel like this makes the outfit looks good. I don't know how to show you, but I love how they look. They're cute, they're nice, and yeah, the outfit is okay for me. I would never wear this outfit. I don't know if I would or not. I'm so confused, so I just don't know what to say about this outfit. Talking about Hailey's sense of fashion is great. Her outfits are made for millennials. That's what I want to say. That's the only thing. A Gen Z person won't like to wear it because Gen Zs are more about experiments. She is not that experimental, but her outfits are something you could easily wear it and you can go outside and look very bougie and sheen time. I've seen her pairing up a lot of black sunglasses. One thing I noticed is she wears leather a lot. And because of her, now I'm obsessed with leather. And I'm gonna buy something in leather. I have leather pants. Not gonna talk about it because I wish I had the leather jacket. It would complete this outfit. So I would rate 6.5 Hailey's because I'm not sure about the outfit. I'm just not sure. I don't understand the outfit that much. But would I wear it again? Again, I'm not sure, but I feel good. This is the outfit number, I don't know which it is. I recreated the look of Jackie's from the 70s shows. And what do you think? Like, tell me, what do you think? I kind of nailed it. I feel like the outfit, the jeans, everything looks nice. Only the bag, because I did not have the exact same bag, but it's a sling bag in my defense. But I loved it. It looks so nice. It does look 70s because of the bell bottom jeans. I can't show you that. Yeah, still you cannot see me. But these are the jeans. They're like bell bottom jeans. My heart is racing. I would rate this 7 Jackies. That's it. Period. Because I feel like this outfit is amazing. Only the hairstyle sucks, and if you switch it up with bucket hat, you look like a Visco girl. What do you think? What do you think? I freaking love this outfit. This outfit is so iconic for me. I love what he was wearing to this Met Gala look. I guess it was Met Gala if I'm not wrong. This suit is like completely different than what I'm wearing. But I love the detailing he had in front. And the bottom started from freaking here. Like, isn't this crazy? I loved it. So he was wearing an earring, so I wore 2 earrings. I mixed like 2 earrings together to make them look so rasa. And when I think of Harry style and wearing this black outfit, I would definitely wear a red lipstick. It's just me, he's not wearing anything. We stay in Harry style over here. We stay in Harry style. I would definitely wear this outside. Anywhere, tell me anywhere, I would wear this. This is so intimidating and this makes me look so bossy and I just feel so strong. I just love his suit, okay? I wanted to recreate his suit, but definitely I did not have the same suit. So I went ahead and I did a thing. I got this dress and then wore a corset over it, a black corset, and my tailor fit pants. So what would I change about this outfit? Nothing, dude. I would not change the outfit even a single bit. How much rating I would give to this outfit would be a 10 Harry Styles. Just 10. There's nothing more than that. I love it. I just loved it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. It was like fun filming this video and I really love making this kind of content. I don't know how long this video is going to be, and to be honest, I had so many outfits in my mind, but I thought that this video will get too long and I don't want you guys to get bored of me. So if you want to see a part 2, then please comment it down below. I would make a part 2 or else I'll make something else. So subscribe and drink a lot of water and wine too if you are not underage. Till then, bye.